going badly, the Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri tweeted last evening and said it is not up to the centre alone to decide on resuming domestic flights. In the spirit of cooperative federalism, the government of states where these flights will take off and land should be ready to allow civil aviation operations. That is centre's message on resumption of flight operations, that it is not the centre alone that needs to take a decision on this. It is the respective states that also need to be on board as far as resumption of flight operations is concerned. Both states to and from where the flights will be running need to be giving that permission is when this kind of a decision can be arrived at. Shantashri, my colleague, joining us with more details on this breaking update. Shantashri, as we keep our viewers ahead on all that is happening in several states, including the national capital, an important breaking update. Civil Aviation Minister now says that even states need to be on board as far as resumption of flights is concerned. It's not alone the centre's decision.
Yes, definitely. There had been so many times that states have expressed their opinion about the resumption of flights, where they had said that they do not want resumption of flights because at the end of the day, they won't be able to handle the footfall of passengers because they aren't ready, and this will lead to more increase of number of COVID-19 cases in their respective states. And that's why a decision, a kind of a certainty is not being reached upon the resumption of domestic flights. And that's why yesterday Hardeep Singh Puri had actually cleared the air when there were so many questions were raised that when the centre had already taken a decision, not exactly decision, the centre was actually prepared, was looking at the preparedness of not only the airports but also the airlines and other stakeholders, whether they are ready to handle the passengers or not. And there were so many advisories that were issued by not only Civil Aviation Ministry but also Ministry of Health Affairs, that how the air passengers need to conduct themselves whenever they are at the airport, and also how the airline needs to maintain the passenger footfall. Then why the resumption of flights did not take place, because they were of the view that resumption of flights should take place. Airlines are facing huge losses at the end of the day. And then Hardeep Singh Puri definitely had cleared the air and has said that it's not only centre's decision but it's the state's decision, and now all the decision lies upon the states as well to give a nod for the resumption of flights to take place. Then only it will happen. So clearly we see that with the keeping the spirit of federalism alive, we believe that a centre decision is not going to be the ultimate decision. It has to be states' cooperation with the centre. Then only the resumption of flights can take place, because we had seen previously that opposition to resumption of special trains had also come about from Bihar, from Bengal. So we believe that same opposition is coming to resumption of flights as well. But when it comes to airlines, we have seen that how much losses they are facing. That's why there is a proposal on the table of repatriation flights where commercial airlines like Indigo, Vistara and also SpiceJet have confirmed that they are willing to participate in this entire process of bringing back Indians struck abroad to India by giving their own flights. Because at the end of the day, all these people had been not only facing salary cuts and pay cuts, but some of the domestic airlines like Air Deccan had already told their employees that it is almost about to shut down their operations. So clearly, if certain measures, immediate measures are not taken to resumption of flights, then they can face bankruptcy. And that's why there is of course a war of words that is taking place between centre and various states. But at the end of the day, they have to think in a larger perspective about how to survive, survive actually these airlines, because they had been facing huge losses because of the last over 40 or 50 days of lockdown that is being continuing. Yes, Kritzvik.
Yes, and that